Master Suite number 611 at the Grand Fiesta Americana in Puerto Vallarta. And it is just gorgeous. Right inside we have a full second bathroom. With a rain shower. In here we have a wet bar, mini bar, which has, what's in it? Some soda and water.
No chips.
No chips or snacks if you're into that.
I'm definitely into that.
We have a dining room table, our living room, 2 big TVs, which is nice, and artwork.
Yeah, very nice.
That's interesting.
Cool.
So here is the living room TV. Got some little stools, couch. The bedroom, which also has a little lounger seat and some artwork, ginormous bed, and another really big TV, which is cool because we like to watch TV in bed. Oh, and there's the safe right below the bedroom TV. What's in here? Oh, that's just an empty cabinet. All right, so now we're in the master bedroom bathroom. We have closets on both sides. Oh, that's nice. A lot of hangers. Calvin brought more because he thought he needed to. But that's a lot. That's plenty. I don't think he brought more than that. And same, oh, we got robes. Real bad. More hangers. You got your robes. Apparently you get a beach bag and slippers. Cool. All right, so 2 closets. Now look, we've got this beautiful vanity, double sink. On the left is your shower, which is huge. You got your rain head. Honestly, and it's echoing in here because it's so big. But it's really great. Tons of hangers. And look at the beach bag. And your poop room is on the left, or the right, I guess. Now for the best is the view. So this is from the bedroom. I'll open this sucker up. Oh. And you are right on the beach. Like, right there. And it's just a beautiful day. And there's mountains. So we do have this wall, like, right here. I don't know what that is, but you can still see the ocean. There's people in it. It looks beautiful. There's people down there, like, just hanging out. And so that's from the bedroom. There's a whole nother balcony off the living room. I don't know why they're separate. It's a little bit weird, but you've got like a full kind of outdoor sofa, some table stuff on either side, and again, you just get this beautiful view. It's really something. The mountains over there. Oh.